If you've been struggling to generate consistent B2B leads without burning money on ads, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today, we're diving into a strategy that most businesses are completely overlooking right now: how to generate high-quality B2B leads using Reddit communities, powered by AI. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Reddit? Really? Isn't that just memes and random discussions? That's exactly why this works. Reddit is one of the few platforms left where people openly ask real questions, share honest opinions, and actively look for solutions. And when it comes to B2B, that means decision makers are literally telling you their problems in public. The opportunity here is massive. Let's break this down. First, the core of this strategy is simple. Instead of chasing leads, you position yourself where your ideal customers are already having conversations. Inside Reddit, there are thousands of niche communities, whether it's SaaS founders, startup owners, marketers, or agency operators. These are people actively discussing tools, services, and solutions they need right now. That's buyer intent. Now, the challenge is, Reddit is not a platform where you can just jump in and start selling. If you do that, you'll get ignored, or worse, banned. So the key is blending in while still standing out. And this is where Reddify AI comes into play. Instead of guessing what to post, Reddify AI helps you reverse engineer content that already works. You take high-performing posts from your niche, posts with real engagement, and the AI analyzes what made them successful. It looks at the structure, the tone, the storytelling, even how value is delivered without sounding salesy. Then it generates new content tailored to your offer, but using proven patterns. This means you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from what already works. Now imagine this. Instead of spending hours writing posts, testing headlines, and figuring out what resonates, you have a system that does it for you in minutes. But it doesn't stop there. Consistency is everything in lead generation. And one of the biggest reasons people fail on Reddit is because they don't show up regularly. With automation, your content can be scheduled and posted consistently across multiple communities at the right times when your audience is most active. That alone gives you a huge advantage. Now, let's talk about the real magic: turning engagement into leads. When someone comments on your post, that's not just engagement, that's interest. And timing matters. If you respond quickly while that person is still thinking about the problem, your chances of converting them go way up. Reddify AI helps automate this follow-up process, so you're not missing opportunities. Instead of manually tracking every comment, the system can guide people toward your lead magnet, your offer, or your next step. And that's how conversations turn into conversions. Now, here's something important. This strategy is not about spamming links or pushing sales messages. It's about building trust at scale. You're showing up with valuable insights, helpful answers, and real solutions. And over time, people start seeing you as the go-to person in that space. That's when leads start coming in naturally. For B2B, this is incredibly powerful because you're not dealing with cold traffic. You're engaging with people who already have a problem and are actively looking for answers. So instead of chasing clients, you're attracting them. If you combine that with a solid offer, whether it's a service, a tool, or an affiliate product, you've got a complete system. Traffic, engagement, and conversion all working together. Now, is this a push-button, get-rich-overnight system? No, but it is a smarter, more efficient way to generate leads without relying on expensive ads or complicated funnels. And right now, the opportunity is still wide open. Most businesses haven't figured this out yet. They're still stuck competing on crowded platforms, paying more and more just to get attention. Meanwhile, Reddit communities are full of potential clients having real conversations every single day. So, if you're looking for a fresh, scalable way to grow your B2B pipeline, this is definitely something you should be paying attention to. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more strategies like this. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried using Reddit for lead generation? I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.